With that though, the food scale, how was that with you learning how to use it? How was that process?
Oh, it was hard in the beginning
Yeah.
because it felt like it was taking me forever to like measure things
Mm-hmm.
and log it. But now I feel like I'm a pro. I feel like sometimes I'm not even, I'm mentally logging the amount of grams, and then when I get to my phone, I can put in like four things and still remember
Um,
how much of each I was using. So
mhm.
I feel way better about using the food scale.
Yeah.
And I had started recommending it to my sisters who's trying to lose
Nice.
weight too.
Nice. I always say it's literally the most valuable tool to have at your disposal for weight loss, weight gain, maintaining your weight. Also, as well, it just makes you more aware, because after a while, when you start to measure
Mhm.
the same thing over and over, you start to learn how that looks, even without the scale.
Mhm.
And it just helps translate. So long term, you'll be a lot more equipped to be able to, sometimes not have to use the scale as much because you learn those measurements after a while. Now it takes a little bit more time, but you learn, what certain things look like in portions.